In this video, I'll show you how to enable graphics acceleration on Microsoft Edge browser. So when you hop on your browser like this, what you need to do is to move to your settings. You can see your top right corner of your screen, tap on that here, and then move to your settings. Good. So on your settings, you can see hardware acceleration here. Very simple, just tap on that. But then you can move to system and performance too. By tapping on here, you come to the same page, and you can tap on the system and performance here to move to the same page. So on here, what you do is you move to the system here. Good. And you can see this here, use graphic acceleration when available. So you turn on that. So when you're opening 3D and stuff on your browser, your browser is not going to lag, something like that. It's very simple and easy. So it's either you move to your settings, which is you come to your profiles here and you tap on hardware acceleration. It takes you there straight. Or you move to your system and performance, and then you move to system, and then you turn it on and off. So that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.